VPNs do not support consoles natively, but if you still want to VPN on your console, I'm here to help you out and show you how to set up VPN on Xbox. I'll show you every step of the way and will also help you pick the best Xbox VPN while we're at it. But before diving into the tutorial, let's see why you should get a VPN for Xbox in the first place. There are a couple of reasons. Just like for any other device, a VPN on Xbox improves your security. DDoS attacks can be a problem for console gamers, so not only does it encrypt your web traffic and IP addresses, but it also protects from those who can't beat you in online games and takes such foul ways at DDoS to stop you from enjoying your gaming sessions. Xbox is not only used for gaming, many users take advantage of streaming on consoles. There are plenty of options on Xbox Entertainment, but all of them are geo-locked, which means you can only watch your local content. Using a VPN allows you to unlock more streaming libraries from various countries around the world. Personally, I like to use NordVPN for my Xbox, as it's a provider that can bring all of the mentioned benefits. It's not only one of the top VPNs in general, but is also a great Xbox VPN. In fact, it's the fastest VPN for Xbox that I've ever tested. With their OpenVPN UDP and NordLynx tunneling protocols, I retained around 90% of my initial connection speeds. That's more than enough for lag-free gaming and streaming. NordVPN has a vast server network, which helps to make sure you get great connection speed from whichever corner of the world you are connecting to. It covers all the essentials when it comes to privacy and security. It has options of industry gold standard and modern encryption. Overall, it's definitely in consideration for the best console VPN and best VPN for gaming. But what about the price? Well, NordVPN is slightly below the average VPN market price, so considering that it's one of the fastest, safest, and feature-packed VPNs, it's well worth the price. I recommend choosing their longest 2-year plan, as it will cost the least monthly. And if for some reason you don't like it, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee option. But to save the most amount of money, use our discount code, which you can find in the description. Alright, it's time for the Xbox VPN setup tutorial. There are a couple of ways to do it, but let's start with the easiest option, sharing a VPN via a mobile hotspot on Windows. For this, you'll need a Windows 10 or above PC and a VPN connection. Once you have it, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and find Mobile Hotspot. Then select Wi-Fi and enable the mobile hotspot. After that, go back to Network and Internet, but this time select Change Adapter Options. Then right-click on NordVPN Windows Adapter. Next, open the Sharing tab and enable the option to allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. Then select the network you wish to share the connection with. After adjusting the adapter, the next Xbox VPN setup step is to switch the tunneling protocol within the NordVPN app. To do that, go to the Settings on the app, then click on Connection. At the very top, there should be a VPN protocol selection. Choose either TCP or UDP protocol. Lastly, open the NordVPN app and connect to your preferred server. Now, there is a similar way to connect your Xbox to a VPN using an Ethernet cable. There is one difference when you go to the Sharing tab. There, you will need to enable Allow Other Network Users to Connect Through This Computer's Internet Connection option and select the name of the network interface that you will share the connection with. Okay, and then connect the Ethernet cable. Again, what's left is to select a server on the NordVPN app and connect. That might have been quite a few steps, but hey, with my help, nothing is too difficult, right? By the way, if you find content like this VPN for Xbox One tutorial to be useful, the best way to show your appreciation is to subscribe to our channel. We got plenty more up-to-date content on all things cybersecurity. Alright, if you don't like the first method, or if you only have older Windows PC available to you, there is another way on how to set up VPN on Xbox, which is by using Wi-Fi from Windows. The first step is simple. Connect your Windows PC to your network over Wi-Fi and make sure you are not connected to NordVPN just yet. Then open the command prompt window on your PC. If you don't know how to do this, just type CMD or command prompt in your Windows search and open the app. Next, in the command prompt window, type in this command and press enter. This step is just for checking if you can set up a virtual Wi-Fi adapter on your PC. If it says you can't, you will have to update to a newer version of your adapter drivers and install them. Or you can also try using a different wireless card. If it says that you can set it up, let's continue by configuring shared network settings. To do that, type in this long command and hit enter. Then we have to activate this virtual network by typing in another command, which is on screen now. If everything works and the network has been activated, the next thing to do is to share this network with a VPN connection. To do that, open Network and Sharing Center by simply right-clicking on the network icon. Then find and click on Open Network and Sharing Center and select Change Adapter Settings. There you should see Virtual Nord Adapter and the Tap NordVPN windows. Right-click on the Tap adapter and select Properties. Next, open the Sharing tab and tick this box right here. Then select Local Area Connection from the drop-down list and click OK. The only thing left now is to connect to one of the servers on the NordVPN app. Hey, congrats, you've done it. But just to make sure it actually worked, check the status of your virtual adapter by typing this in the command prompt. Now, it might have happened that you got a message that the hosted network couldn't be started, but don't worry, there's a way to fix that. Open Run App by pressing Windows button plus R simultaneously, and type in this command and press enter. Once the device manager is open, go to Network Adapters and right-click on Microsoft Hosted Network Virtual Adapter and select Enable. Then type in this command again. If that still doesn't work, or if you have any other problems with NordVPN, I recommend reaching out to their customer support. Those guys are really willing to help you and they are available 24/7, so use that to your advantage. There is another way on how to set up VPN on Xbox One or almost any other console. It's by setting up a VPN on a router. That's a great way to protect your entire household at once. All you will need to do is just connect your Xbox to that router. I've done this guide for NordVPN before. I'll leave a link for you to it at the end of this video, but you don't have to use NordVPN for that. There are other best VPN for console options. For instance, Surfshark VPN has an option of setting up a manual WireGuard connection on a router, while ExpressVPN has a dedicated application for routers. By the way, to get any of these 3 VPN Xbox providers at the best price, click on the link in the description. We got a deal. So, have you ever tried using a VPN on a console? If yes, how did that go? Let me know about your experience in the comments section down below. And yeah, while you're at it, if you found this VPN Xbox tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We got more tutorials and other up-to-date cybersecurity content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.